Hi, everyone. It's Genene, and welcome to my new 30-day yoga series, Meaningful Connections. Today is all about preparation, the first step in any process, so you don't need any props or anything. After giving you an overview of the entire 30-day series, we're going to move into a little breath work and then a short guided meditation at the end, something that could set us up for the next 30 days. Props will vary from day to day, from none to a few. So the props you might need: a chair, 2 blocks, a strap. You can also use, if you don't have one, an old belt or an old tie would work. And then 3 blankets, well, 2 or 3, whatever you have. Or if you have a bolster, 1 bolster and 1 blanket. So 1 bolster equals 2 blankets and a mat. These yoga practices are designed for all levels of practitioners, from beginning to advanced. In fact, we're going to have so many modifications that I've enlisted some help for some of them. Over the next 30 days, you'll have the opportunity to create more meaningful connections through your physical asana practice.
In week 1, we will create a foundation for meaningful connections within ourselves physically by working with our breath and connecting with the 4 areas of the spine: cervical, thoracic, lumbar, and sacral. In week 2, we honor the sun, without which we would not be alive. We will be practicing the sun salutations, Surya Namaskar A and B, with lots of options on how to modify them. Day 15 is our halfway point, an opportunity to connect again with yourself in a new way. In week 3, we honor the moon with moon flow variations, Chandra Namaskar, and restorative practices. It is nighttime when we slow down enough to see the reflections, otherwise blinded by the sun. In week 4, we connect with our 7 chakras, those spinning energy vortexes located in different areas of our body.
And on day 29, we've got a fun partner yoga class. Finally, on day 30, the last day of this particular series, we return the focus back to deepening and creating a more meaningful relationship with ourselves. Today is about getting to know where you're at, and we'll begin with your breathing pattern. So take a comfortable seat wherever you are and gently close your eyes. Breathing in and out through your nose, follow your breath. Notice how you tend to breathe. Where do you tend to hold your breath? Which feels easier, your inhales or your exhales? Now let's participate with our breath by evening it out, exhaling for as long as you inhale. Perhaps you would like to count, maybe to the count of 5 on the inhale, 5 on the exhale, whatever feels appropriate for you. And as you breathe this more even, rounded breath, notice the ease of your breath, the flow. How there's just enough effort.
Take your attention to all the parts of your body touching the ground. Feel the support the earth is giving you here. How does that feel? Still breathing smoothly, take your attention through your feet, letting go of any tension there. Then moving up your legs, noticing any tenseness, any tightness, giving your legs permission to relax. traveling through your pelvis and your torso, relaxing this part of your body, and then up into your shoulders, dropping away any burdens you're carrying that are no longer serving you. Now let this relaxation travel down the arms, through the fingers, and then back up into the neck, allowing your throat to expand outwardly, freeing your voice, your expression, and then up into your head, softening, letting go, relaxing your eyes, cheeks, and jaw. Feel this relaxation flowing freely from your head to your toes, and bask in this glow of peace and serenity.
Join your hands together, connecting your thumbs with your heart, and state your intention for the next 30 days by stating to yourself, I commit to this 30-day yoga journey because, and then fill in the blank. There is no right or wrong answer. It's whatever comes up for you. Perhaps it's because it's January and this is your tradition, or perhaps it's some other reason. I look forward to having you join me on this 30-day yoga journey beginning tomorrow on day 1. I can't wait. Namaste.